guys, welcome to Heather's Treasures. I have been trying to make some moonstone, and from left to right is my attempts. So I'll bring you up so you can see. This one doesn't look too good, but the back looked really good. So I thought, well, I'll give it another shot. So then I tried this one. Got a little better, but I didn't finish any of these because I didn't want to waste the resin. Then it kind of went wonky on me. So then I tried doing this one, got better, and then I put white wicker white paint on the back just to make, see what it would look like solidified. Then I tried these. These were flops, just hollow. And then I tried this one, and I was getting really close, but I don't like that heavy streak in there. I didn't like that, but I was getting close, and that's also hollow. So then I tried another technique. These are actually solid, and I like the blue, but it kind of got away from me. A little too, I don't know. This one is the best so far. So we're going to make one of these. We're going to try. So we'll get this out of the way. And you're going to need some UV resin. This is just what I happen to have. It is hard type. You'll need a couple mica powders. This is titanium. This is Pearl-X Interference Blue. And you're going to need some kind of resin ink. This is Armor Art. It's really crappy. I don't recommend you buy it. But I'm going to pour just a little dab in here. In my little silicone cup. That's way too much. Then you're going to need something to scoop out your mica powders. You're going to need a silicone mold. Some kind of an applicator. This is just actually one of these little makeup things, I think, with foam, but I tore the foam off. And you'll need a UV resin light. Mine is a 48 watt. You need a couple, maybe 3 silicone cups. And I think that's it. So 1 second while I get one more silicone cup. For cleanup, you'll want probably 70% alcohol and some paper towels. Whatever you use to clean up resin, UV resin is fine. If you have a wet wipe or a baby wipe that works best for you, by all means use that. So I've got 3 cups here, and we're going to move this aside. And we're going to clean out, let's do a little heart. Oh, you know what else you're going to need? You're going to need some kind of a brush. I just use this because it already has the resin on the brush. So the first thing I do is I put in a little bit of resin, and then I take my brush and I brush it up the sides and try to be really careful not to go up over the edge, but sometimes I do. Just have to clean it off if you do that. So now we're going to put this under the light for 90 seconds to 3 minutes. It depends. Mine only goes to 90 seconds. It doesn't have just an on button. But, it was $20 for 48 watts, so I can't complain. So depending on what kind of UV light you have, run it until you get to the point where it's cured fully. So now what I need to do is put a little bit of resin in this cup while that's running. My titanium. Just gonna take a little bit here. You have to do this in layers. I'm gonna get my stick wet, try to work the bubbles out, and you want to just mix it in. You don't have to worry about which direction it's going right now. Just get some in there. But you don't want it a solid. You want to be able to see clear. So got some in there. I'm going to do just a little more over here. Right, we're just going to go diagonally with that for right now. And now I'm just going to get the tip of my applicator. And we're just going to lightly touch and drag. And I'm just not quite mixing it in. I don't know if you can see that. Let me zoom in a little. And now I'm going to just touch the white See how very little I've got on there? And now I'm going to just drag it. And now I'm going to wipe this off. I'm trying to make it go just one direction so that it looks like the grain of the stone. You know what I mean? And we'll run that for 3 minutes. Okay, so while that's running for the last 45 seconds or so, I put another little drop of UV resin in this container, and I put a little scoop of the interference blue in here. And now we're just going to stir this up. Oh, it got too close to the light. Now you can do it the way I just showed you by dabbing it into the resin in the cup, or you can do it this way. I think I like doing it this way, but I just gotta keep. I always seem to forget to move it away when I turn the UV light on, so then it cooks it. Add a little more, and I'm gonna keep going with the light, the direction that I started. I think we're just ready. We're about ready to one more layer, and then we can dome the backside just slightly. Okay, we're ready to dome. I wanted to show you, I stuck this white in here. It comes right out. All right, I'm going to use up what I can of this. I'm just going to brush it on. Okay, and now I'm just going to add just a little bit of clear so that we can have a slight dome. Fingers crossed. Okay, well, this is running for the last 90 seconds. I wanted to let you know that whatever mold you use, depends on how deep it is, will dictate how many layers you need to do. Don't try to rush it. Like if you're doing a big cab and say, I didn't count, but say I did 5 layers. Don't try to rush your big cab through 5 layers. Just do a thin layer, just enough to coat the center part. And then you can drag it up through like I was doing with the pick, and then cure it really fast. So you ready? I'm afraid. Oh! What do you think? That's pretty good. Wow. I think I nailed it. No, I didn't nail it. I didn't nail it, guys. But this is really close. I'm just scraping off these hairy edges here. What do you think, guys? Does that look like a moonstone? I think it does. I'm still trying to clean this stuff off. You let me know what you think in the comments. I swear, I don't know if the camera is doing this justice or not. Oh, I say this is a success. Woohoo! All right, thanks guys. I appreciate you joining me today. Make sure you like and share this video if you think I did a good job. Subscribe if you haven't already, and click the bell so that you'll get notified every time I upload a new video. So till next time. Love you. Bye-bye.